Hello and welcome to VendOp News, where I cover the weekly happenings in the supply chain and procurement market. My name is Jay Bartels. Let's just dive right in. Our first article today focuses on some key technologies that deliver a competitive edge for supply chains. Beth Stockpole at MIT Sloan identifies the Internet of Things, blockchain, AI, and robots, as well as 3D printing as 5 essential focus areas. First, researchers are predicting double-digit annual growth for worldwide IoT spending through 2022. Connected sensors throughout a supply chain gather and deliver insights that will be pivotal as we move forward. This includes data collection on everything from weather conditions to location tracking. The second technology for supply chains to consider is blockchain. IDC predicts that a quarter of original equipment manufacturers, or OEMs, will leverage blockchain by 2023. Blockchain is capable of establishing audit trails that offer improved visibility and transparency for supply chain processes. It is well suited to track goods and establish trust between competing parties and agendas. IBM, for example, is currently running a pilot project with their Food Trust Solutions program. This will be used by Walmart to track lettuce from supplier to shelf in light of recent E. coli outbreaks. SAP and Bumblebee Foods are also collaborating to trace the journey of yellowfin tuna. All of this is in an effort to satisfy customer demands for safe and sustainably sourced foods. Next on the list of new supply chain technologies are AI, machine learning, and predictive analytics. These technologies offer massive amounts of data and help companies use that data to improve efficiency. A Deloitte survey from last year found that 81% of companies investing in predictive analytics were doing so to drive down costs. Robots are next on the list of pivotal supply chain technologies. A new generation of collaborative robots, known as cobots, are being developed to work alongside humans. According to the IDC, 65% of warehouse activities will involve robots by 2023. Amazon is already employing robots to help pick, sort, transport, and store packages. And the final piece of the technology puzzle for supply chains, according to MIT Sloan, involves 3D printing. 3D printing will allow companies to produce fully functional parts that are lighter and made with less material waste than those made with traditional technologies. 3D printing also helps to avoid large investments in warehouses and inventory. The IoT, blockchain, AI, robots, and 3D printing are definitely 5 areas to stay focused on as we move into the future. The next article today covers the growing global market for dock and yard management systems, known as YMSs. These solutions oversee the movement of trucks and trailers in a facility. They provide real-time information on capacity, resources, demands, and constraints within the network. Utilizing a YMS can significantly reduce costs, inventory stock, and congestion, all while reducing wait times, hastening product handling, and increasing throughput. The current global YMS market is estimated to be worth $3.3 billion. Projections place it at $7.9 billion by 2027. That's a compound annual growth rate of 13.4% from 2020 to 2027. Warehouse management systems, or WMSs, are also predicted to grow significantly in the next 7 years. Projections place them at 14.8% CAGR, reaching $5.3 billion by 2027. The final market segment, transportation management systems, or TMSs, were reevaluated in light of the current pandemic. While still anticipated to grow, the TMS segment is only projected to hit 11% CAGR for the coming 7-year period. Regardless, it is clear that many companies are investing in YMS solutions in an effort to improve visibility and operational efficiency ahead of the next global crisis. Our final article today discusses the trend of companies focusing more on supply chain resilience and less on low-cost solutions and lean inventories. One recent industry survey found that 70% of companies will lessen their focus on sourcing from the lowest cost supplier. And an incredible 92% are taking action to create more visibility within their supply chains. This includes demanding more information from suppliers about their own risk management and continuity strategies. It also involves implementing new technologies and tools, with 47% of respondents focused on improving supply chain visibility and tracking. These trends signal an incredible shift in perspective that was present before, but that is now gaining momentum due to the trade war with China and the current pandemic. 59% of respondents to a recent Foley report state that they have already withdrawn operations in China or are in the process of doing so. This shift has 74% of those companies moving their supply chains home to the US, 47% to Mexico, and 24% to Canada. The benefits of these initiatives will increase supply chain flexibility and visibility and hopefully help more companies survive future global disruptions. Thank you for watching VendOp News. Again, my name is Jay Bartels. I am the CEO of VendOp. At VendOp, we manage the performance of vendors and suppliers and save companies millions of dollars per year. If you would like to join a panel discussion with our industry leaders, reach out to me via LinkedIn or email me at jay@vendop.com. Thanks again for taking the time to join me today.